car.
This is the Mopan River. We're crossing the bridge. Check it out, passports are here.
Ay, dice, dame mi cargador, ¿no? ¿Dónde está tu cargador? ¿Dónde está su cargador? ¿Me di su cargador?
Buena, buena. We are here at the world famous, we're making it world famous now, Sunantinich, right? Nice pastries here. Try some of that.
Enjoy.
Oh, that's what you need.
Do you have a spoon? Thank you. Oh, you don't need it?
What are you eating?
I'm eating some chicken soup.
What are you eating?
Escapation. I'm eating soup with onions. Good soup with onions.
Escabeche.
Ah, ya.
Gracias por venir a restaurante San Antonich en Belice. En realidad se los recomiendo. La comida estuvo muy sabrosa y tenemos también, ¿cuál es su nombre, perdón?
Marlana Beth.
Sí, pues fue la mesera y en realidad sí estuvo muy bien. Gracias por atendernos.
Gracias también
igual
por venir acá y siempre los esperamos.
Muy amable, gracias.
Para nuestros amigos que nos miran en Estados Unidos, en Guatemala, ¿qué les recomendás del menú de aquí?
Rice and beans, que es algo que siempre han pedido, pero aparte tenemos diferentes platillos también.
¿Cómo
Por
qué?
ejemplo, como el fried fish, si lo miro ahí, que le tenemos. Aparte tenemos el pork chops, arracheras también, que es acompañado con lo que usted desee, con verduras, ensaladas.
Y para los que venimos a pasear, ¿qué nos recomendás de esta área de aquí de Benque, viejo? What would you recommend? You could switch to English actually, because we have
We have the
bilingual.
San Antonich, that would be one of the best.
Okay.
places.
How far is it from here, the ruin, the Mayan ruins?
1 minute away from here.
What? So it's
Yes,
just
it's right there.
you just get your feet wet on a river and then you jump.
Cross, yes. We cross,
Wow.
we cross the ferry and then they take you.
How much is it to get in?
I think today they charge, but Sunday there it's
Free. Okay, good, good.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. What's the population like right here in Benque? Size like maybe 5,000? It's more, right?
Yes, it's
Uh-huh.
more.
And what's the makeup? Is it Creole, Spanish?
Nowadays we use usually both.
Both, right? Okay, but what's the majority though? Spanish? Creole.
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 A
Uh-huh.
lot of people use more Creole.
What do you consider yourself, Creole or Spanish?
Both.
Okay. That's cheating. That's cheating.
What?
You're not telling me anything.
Es more Guatemalan.
Vamos al acento guatemalteco.
Okay, cool. So what's the difference between Creole and
And English?
Spanish? And English? Yeah, please.
Short words, maybe. Like let's say, where are you going? We would say like where you live or where you waiting.
Also, it's a language.
Yes, it's
That makes you Creole. So if it's English, it would be someone like her that speaks proper English.
proper English.
You speak proper English. I speak proper English.
I speak Creole. So,
He does.
I know.
so one of the specialties on the I see
We have desserts,
cakes and
yes.
what's
They're
the
made
specialty
from
here?
The boss, the owner of the place, she makes it. She bakes. She makes her.
What would you recommend out of all the nice cakes out of that?
We have
display?
a nice one. It's the Baileys one, but we don't have.
Oh, Bailey's.
Yes,
Hello.
we have
Damn, that will make you drunk.
Yes.
Well, it's Bailey's, right?
Yes, it's from the Baileys.
Okay.
We have the tres leches too,
Oh, yeah.
the caramel. We have flan, Hershey.
Wow.
This one.
What is life like every day here in this town?
Live.
Like, what is life like? What is your normal out there for people who come or who live here?
Saka's been more quiet. I think Benca has more places like the big like Piccadilly, like more live, like music, live music.
Drinking, socializing.
Drinking, socializing. That's more at the Benca side.
How come they sent us here for food instead of there?
Ah!
They
But
recommended your place.
maybe because of the service, the next Benca has small places, but you know,
Not
maybe
good
they-
quality, right? Like this one.
Could be that.
See, I'm getting you to talk and say the truth. That's good. Thank you. I'm not gonna bug you no more. We're leaving Belize. We're heading back to Guatemala. Here you go.
I don't know.
Honey, how did you like Belize? How did you like it?
Great.
Okay. Any experience?
It was awesome. The food was great.
Good. Sunantunich. We're crossing right now to Guatemala.
The food was amazing at Sunan.
Yes.
Highly recommended.
Beautiful. Nice.
Belize is beautiful.
It is.
But that's a Mayan.
Yep. Because